What's happening?
Find a couple of waters.
The airdrop is coming.
They're way over.
There's no vehicles here.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Whoa.
Head into the road.
Alright, what's on my bike?
Where are you?
Someone else.
I'll come get it.
Who's who the one picked up?
I'm looking. I'm the furthest near the zone, so up to you guys. I'm looking for a car over here.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Oh shit, what am I
Go back. Go get them.
They've got the bike.
Okay. Are they all behind me?
No, no. No, we're alright.
Any
Who put that there?
customs about?
No.
Whoa. No, all the way down.
Nope. All a bit far away.
Let's take a drive.
What's
Or do you
going
want
on?
to YOLO?
Can't. Simon's struggling with the bike handling.
What's this?
You keep
Doing
hitting rocks.
semicircles for no reason.
He's not got his bike license, has he?
Oh, that was nice.
Your airdrop is coming.
Why have you got your sniper out, Tony?
Can you see
Snipe
it?
somebody.
See if I can snipe someone on the move
Yeah, right.
with some shot.
Whoa, 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 I fell off. Yeah, maybe I should have died because my head got crushed.
Ow.
Stay down.
Airdrop has been delivered.
The big
Yeah, it's stunts now.
Pretty cool, man. Get show off.
What was it?
Uh-oh.
Fucking hell.
Into that driving.
I'm getting dizzy, man.
Oh, there it is.
Boom.
The revived flight will arrive in
Crap.
Get out.
That get out button was where the record button was. Oh crap, there's people coming
Car
in.
coming.
Someone's coming.
Let's go. Let's get them.
There's
There's two cars. Ready for them? We're ready for them in.
I'm not.
Engaging the enemy.
Done.
It's a bot, isn't it?
They're going to go up the hill.
Let's go. Let's get out of
Ship
here.
terminal is almost ready.
Someone behind us.
Yeah.
Oh.
Engaging the
Yeah.
enemies.
Oh, fucking coming. They're coming. They're coming from both sides.
Hell, man, is that a poltergeist?
Collapsing.
So he's rocking like a
What?
wanker.
What are we looking at here? What's happening? Oh, there
Where are you guys?
Rocket
We're
guy's
done.
down. Go up there.
Enemy eliminated.
it is. Well done, Simon. I'll help you finish him.
Where's the other car? Oh, on the left.
What? Where?
That's the truck. Behind that
Where?
truck.
Over there? What are we looking at?
He's
The
got a
car.
sniper.
Is that rocket guy dead?
I know we.
He
Simon
just
killed him.
did?
Simon killed him.
You
I
sniped
thought he
him.
just downed.
He's either
Your
poltergeist or
airdrop is coming.
He's got a GPS. Oh,
get
but it's
shot.
not a special one.
Oh, fucking.
Oh.
Yeah, someone.
Come down.
Where?
Come down.
Whereabouts?
130, 140.
what the hell?
Yeah.
You gonna make it?
Ah, crap.
Go, go,
No.
go, 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 go.
Oh, they're going to come in. They're going to come in.
Nope. Not making it.
Yeah.
He's doing
Ah,
it straight. Don't move it.
No, they're at the front. They're at the front. Wait, behind you.
Don't
Climb.
give up. You can
By
still
that
Oh,
tree.
shit,
By
shit,
the
shit,
tree.
shit.
By the tree. In front. 42. The guy in the tree. Just go.
I see him. I see him.
You better
Oh,
go.
okay.
He is.
How you shoot me with a fucking AK-47?
You better get moving.
Are you dead?
Save yourself. I'm
Down.
dead. Save yourself. I think I'll make
Right,
it.
come.
No, you're not gonna make it. There's no way you're gonna make
I'm,
it.
I'm going to go. I'm going to go.
I'm not gonna
Oh.
make it there.
Save yourself, man. Save yourself.
I'll come back with your tag if there's time.
Yeah, me too.
Tony-
Me
Tony
too.
could go get the tags.
Oh, shh.
Shit, man. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Tony should
Although
make
I-
it if he doesn't keep.
The airdrop is coming.
Whoa!
Oh, jeez, Owen.
You could have used the car.
Jeez.
For fuck's sake.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Right,
I'm so
Sam,
close.
you can. Sam, you call in. Call in.
This guy must be dead as well, man. Come on, where's he going?
Actually, I didn't even heal up much.
No.
Get the dog tags and help them return to the battle. Don't give up. You can still return to the battle.
There's a car coming from where I was. He's trying to make it in the zone.
Where's your car, Sam? I'll grab it to get the tags.
It's just
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
over that way.
Wait.
Alright.
There's people coming.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Come on. Right? Yeah. That M13 looks beastly, man.
Oh, someone's built under you, Simon. "20 seconds,
Chip
maybe.
terminal is almost ready.
Want to try and revive us? Get you.
Yep.
You sure you got enough time to get in the zone?
Don't know.
You might.
Your teammate has scanned your dog tag. Wait for the
You
revive.
should have.
Your teammate is on the revive.
Yeah, I'm in.
The
Oh no.
airdrop is coming.
Where are they?
The safe zone is collapsing.
Someplace.
Sam.
I'm going to platform which someone just landed. on
Look,
the
a car here
platform.
outside.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm
Come
going down. I'm going to farm.
Oh, I died. Oh,
Airdrop
what?
has been delivered.
Yes, sorry. I didn't know I was so close to being dead.
Yeah, in the
Kidding
platform.
me, man.
Nah, I had to jump out because someone else was
The
there.
last revive flight will arrive in
Oh
1 minute.
fuck.
Tony did.
Yeah. Thought.
Just not make the zone, or
Yeah.
2 seconds.
I mean, I was in the zone and then I stopped to pick up
Enemy
Simon.
vehicle is nearly done.
Jeez, Owen.
We can't stay in this car.
Oh fuck.
So
Yo, ship ready for upgrade.
I can't even make it.
Oh.
Badger, quick.
I'm running.
You get back.
Is it far?
Got half a weapon. I've got like 2 shitty weapons, but I'm no ammo.
What happened to Tony?
I went, got zoned.
Alright.
He's zoned.
I shouldn't have stopped to pick up Simon. I should have just drove.
I'm gonna get my EMT if I got one.
This is just.
That'll do me.
Well,
Down
there's
to the
a
last 5
fancy
teams.
car over there, so
Enemy is near.
baddies are nearby.
I got assault weapons, so that's not too bad. I'm gonna go in the house and check. Got 13. Alright. Let's go for it. Ah, fuck it, I'll come with
There's
you.
a guy over there. Looks like he's got a mythic.
Shit, man. Can you
Oh, I see him. Yeah,
Over there.
he was over there, yeah.
He's just sliding about. I'm sure he's trying to get used to shoot.
Your airdrop is
Oh,
coming.
nice shot. What a shot.
I didn't get him though. Did I kill him? No, Sam killed him.
Oh, he's on. No,
Killed one.
Sam kill.
He's on the roof.
Chip
There's a
terminal
ninja on the roof.
almost ready. Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory. Airdrop
Pretty
has been
free.
delivered.
I think there's should be another guy on the right though. There's 3 of them at least. Oof. Wait, at least 2 more.
I can't see them.
The safe zone.
Keep an eye on that ninja on the roof.
Yeah,
Oh,
maybe coming around.
What ninja? Oh, there he is. There he is. I see him. I see him. Someone else.
Yeah, I think it's the urban tracker.
nice one. Whoa.
Whoa, he fucking. Radiance? I'll take your Radiance, pal. Well, but there's a kinetics in here. Kinetics in this box, by the way.
I'll take one if there's... Well, I've got one, but I'll take one back up.
Oh, someone's up, coming up here.
So,
Oh my god, man, he's weak. Sam, do you think
Get out of
you
this
can get me?
smoke.
He's coming. Nope. I think he's.
no, that guy's
Fucking
coming up. Oh,
Oh, Odin.
Hey, the fucking shotgun!
Don't know why my gun
bastard.
didn't shoot.